Now we will talk about interesting uses of aspirin briefly. It's used in removing sweat stains. Aspirin can be used to remove sweat stains from clothing. Crush a few aspirin tablets, mix with water to form a paste, and apply it to the stain area. Leave it for a few hours or overnight before washing as usual. We use aspirin in pest control in cut flowers. Adding a crushed aspirin tablet to the water in a vase of cut flowers can help prolong their freshness by preventing the growth of the bacteria and fungi. Number 3, we have insect bite relief. Applying a paste made from crushed aspirin and water to insect bites can help alleviate itching, reduce inflammation, and provide temporary relief. Number 4, we have dandruff treatment. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is a common ingredient in anti-dandruff shampoos. Grinding aspirin tablets into a fine powder and adding it to the shampoo may help reduce dandruff by exfoliating the scalp and reducing flaking. Number 5, we have plant growth stimulation. Some studies have shown that aspirin can stimulate plant growth and hence plant resistance to the stressors such as diseases, pests, and extreme temperatures. Aspirin solutions can be applied to plants to potentially improve their overall health and productivity. Thanks for watching. That was the end of the video. Don't forget to watch our aspirin poisoning symptoms and folate deficiency signs and foods that make you look like younger videos. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.